Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dimma, a lifestyle vlogger based in India. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. So guys, before I start this video, I want to use this opportunity to wish you guys a very prosperous year. I pray that whatever thing you have in mind shall be granted, and this year shall be a year of restoration for each and every one of us. Okay, so guys, it's a new year day and I decided to tour a new mall with my family. There isn't so much to do in India. If you live in India, you will understand what I mean. So I'm just touring the a mall. It's my first time of coming to this mall. It's a very big mall in the city where I live, and I'm so glad I'm able to carry you guys along. So keep watching. So while I and my family were taking some group pictures, these two guys walked up to us and they started asking us where we are from, and they wanted to join in the picture taking. For me, it wasn't like a new experience because I usually experience this kind of thing in when I was in northern India, but when I moved to southern India, I've never experienced it. Like most of them, they literally mind their business. They don't like to, talk to you or something like that. So for me, it was very strange for them to walk up to me and tell me that they want to join in my picture. I was so glad, and we took pictures together and we chatted for some while before we continued with the main purpose that brought me to the mall. Okay, guys, so keep watching. So I picked some clothes which I was about to try out, and the rooms were occupied. So I decided to look at myself at the mirror. So this happens to be one of the clothes that I got, and I really love this gown. It's a very simple gown, but I just love the fitting it gave me.
Guys, I'm trying out the clothes. I think it's nice. It fits really well. I love it. I just love the way it fits on my body. It's not tight, it's not that loose. So beautiful. I really love this. I think I'll be going with this. Let me show you guys the full picture. So good. Let me know what you guys think about this dress, but for me, I love it.
So my next stop is at H&M, and they were on sales. Even though I wasn't able to buy anything here, I did see something that I love and I decided to move on to another company. So this is just I am my baby. Like I said, I'm just touring the mall. While touring the mall, I'm also doing a little shopping, okay? So this is just me and my baby looking around, just having a great time in the mall, okay? Even though it was getting late and I was beginning to rush things. I actually wished I came earlier. I think if I had come earlier, I would have had enough time to spend in the mall, but I didn't even plan to come to the mall. It just happened and I found myself in the mall. But anyway, I enjoyed the whole experience. I enjoy, like I said at the beginning of this video, this is my first time of being in this mall, and I never expected it to be this big. I never expected something this big, but I'm surprised to see a lot of things here, like things that I would have loved to try out on a normal day. But nevertheless, I'm still going to visit this mall, sha. So guys, at the end of the day, I wasn't able to get the things I had in mind to buy. So we decided to visit another mall. This is a different mall, but this mall is smaller than the initial one that we went. And one thing, this is my like this is like a regular mall that I used to come to. It's not like a new mall, a new place to me. And one thing I love about this mall is that they usually have western things, like things that you will love apart from the local stuff. They have western things, and this is where I usually purchase my clothing. So I decided to come here to buy other things that I wasn't able to get in the other mall. So this is just me trying out these clothes. I really love this up and down, but unfortunately the trouser wasn't fitting and they didn't have a larger size. And this pink one also was so beautiful on me. I also bought that. So guys, we are done shopping. I'm about to go home now. It's already getting late. This is past 6. She say. So guys, how are you guys celebrating your new year? For us, we've gone out and we are back. So I'm be making jollof rice for my family on 25th. That is on Christmas Day. We had white rice, and today I want to do something different. I want to make jollof rice. So I'm making large quantity, hence I'm using this big pot to cook, because we might be having visitors. I know it's festival period. People can just come to your house unannounced, and you won't chase them away. You have to look for something for them to eat. So I've added my ginger and garlic paste, and my onions is inside. So I'm going to add some curry powder just to build flavor in the oil before cooking. So I've added my curry powder. I'm going to saute this for a while, then I will go in with my tomato paste. So I've added in my tomato paste. I think this needs a little of oil. So I'll just add a little of oil to fry it. This is not a tutorial, guys. This is just me preparing New Year rice for my family. So I'm going to add some paprika. I'll cover this and I will just allow it to fry a little bit. I'm not going to be cooking it for long. The tomato paste has been cooked yesterday. I'll allow it to just cook for some time, then I'll go in with the rest of the ingredients. Meanwhile, I've boiled my proteins. That is, I'm using beef for this food. So I've boiled that and I've fried it as well. So I will just leave this to fry for some time. Then I will add in the rest of the ingredients and I'll go in with my rice. And that is just it. So guys, while my tomato is frying, let's have a very quick chat here. Let me know in the comment section how you are doing, how you celebrating your new year, and in which country are you celebrating. For me, I'm in India and there isn't so much going on here. Majority of these people are not Christians. Like, they basically don't celebrate Xmas. They just a few number of them, the few Christians among them celebrate Xmas. And for the new year they do celebrate, but it's not like a serious kind of celebration for them. They have their own festivals that they celebrate. So for us here, there isn't so much to do. It's just visit the regular malls that we normally visit, come back home, visit family, friends if you have. friends and just prepare something for you and your family to eat. Unlike when I was in Nigeria, you have a lot of places to go. You go for what is it called? New Year Eve. Like when I was in Nigeria, I don't miss that New Year Eve. But now I didn't even go to church last night because I'm a Catholic, and the masses that will be celebrated on New Year Eve is usually in Tamil. Tamil is their local language, and I recently moved into this part of the city, so I don't know, I don't understand the language. Even though, even if I've gone to church, I will still follow up because Catholic, I mean, the practice is universal, it's the same everywhere. But sometimes you just get bored whenever you are in a place you don't understand the language. If you live in a country where they don't speak English often, you understand what I mean. So I'm just making rice. We went out, actually, we went to the mall and we got some stuff. You guys be seeing the video, I'll be attaching the video with this one. We got some stuff there at the mall and we came back and it's already late. This is past 9 p.m. and I'm just making my own New Year rice now. But nothing spoil, there's nothing bad about it. Whenever I finish, we just have our dinner and we go to sleep. So that is how I'm celebrating my own New Year. Let me know in the comment section how you are celebrating and in which country you are celebrating, okay? So let's continue with the cooking before my tomato gets burnt. By the way, so far I've added my rice. You can see I'm making a very large pot of rice because, like I said earlier, I might be having some visitors, and of course I don't want to be cooking tomorrow. I just want to take a break since this December, since starting from 24th of December. I've not rested. I need to rest. So I guess this food will serve as my visitors' food whenever they arrive tomorrow. I'll add some small salt. Okay. So I'm going to cover it to cook, and after a while I will come and check on it. Fam, my rice is ready. I'm going to take out these things are bay leaves. I'm going to take them out. My New Year rice. So turn it around. So tasty, guys. So yummy. So due to my schedule on the day I filmed this video, I wasn't able to do a proper outro. But this is just me saying very big thank you for being part of this family, for always coming by to watch my video. And also, this is just me wishing you a very prosperous, happy new year. Thank you so much and remain blessed.